Hey, how y'all doing? Everybody doing all right? Everybody make it through the day without any women? Well, anyhow, I was thinking about this earlier, and I just wondered if maybe y'all could help me out on this. I believe I could get on Facebook and just get a sincere, video about something very important to me, like, in real, like a real video, and they wouldn't nobody say nothing, but I can do it like this right here, and I get all kind of advice. What is it? It's my eyes. Is it 'cause they so pretty you want to help me? But then I started thinking, you know that day I posted that picture, and you know you did, that I posted a picture, I had a hole in my sock. Well, somebody brought it to my attention. Not one friend, not one of you said nothing about, oh, I'll send you some socks. I work at the sock factory. I can get you some samples for free. Not one person. Now, that's sad to me. That made me very sad. And I didn't even realize it till somebody brought it to my attention how sad it was, and then I got sad. But anyhow, it's okay, because what I do is, what I normally do is I order in bulk. So what I did was I went on Amazon.com, and Lord knows they need to close that thing at night. I don't need nothing till it gets dark. And I can go on there and find it. I just need all of it. But I bought about 75 pairs of socks. So if y'all wasn't saving up or going to do a GoFundMe or something for me some socks because I had a hole in them, don't. Because I done bought some. But I do appreciate none of you even mentioning it, you know, replacing that one. But what I did is, seriously, how I get stuff like that, because probably they'd have looked green like that. They've messed this up. Anyway, what I do is, I know I always talk about trespassing. It's because I'm always trespassing. And it ain't to be for no meanness. I don't do it to be mean. I do it because I can't, sometimes I want to get a good picture of something. And I have to step like right over the line. That's why I keep asking y'all. Like if I walk right up to the sign, I ain't trespassing, am I? Now, that time I backed over that sign, I believe I was trespassing, because the sign was under my car. So my back two wheels, they was trespassing. But anyway, I think what happened is, I'll be trying to get a picture of something. It'll be something, you've seen my pictures, Lord have mercy, and I don't got no sense. Don't make no rhyme or reason to none of them, but they pretty to me. So anyway, I'll get out of my car, and 9 times out of 10, I step in briars. Because that's what the stuff I have to go to where it is. And I step in briars, and I think it probably tears my socks up. Them socks wasn't that old to be having a hole that big. It looked like something, like I got shot at or something. But anyway, let me tell you what my dream picture is right now. Because this is what happens, and this ain't no lie, I ain't making this up. I make a lot of stuff up, but I ain't making this up. All the time, I have a picture in my head. Like, I give up on lighting, and I want to take a picture of lighting. I ain't never gonna do it. I can be out there, and it be lighting up a storm. I can turn that camera on. It stops. Sun comes out. I give up on that one. But this is what I want a picture of. And I know some of y'all can help me out, because some of you own cows. I want a picture of a cow, and you know how cows real friendly, they'll come right up to you. I want a picture, like, what I'm going to do is, I want to be, like, in the middle of them, on the ground, and take a picture up of the cows. Because I've seen one like that with, like, a horse or something, a pig. Couldn't have been a pig. Pig's too short. A pig's too short, and I don't know where that come from. A pig's too short, but, it might have been a horse, but anyway, that is the cutest picture. It's just different. That's all. I can't compete with the people that take good pictures, so I have to try to be creative. You see what I'm saying? If you can't be like the best at it, you need to be trying to be different. And there's nothing wrong with being different. Nothing. You will be, I love people that's different. People that's the same. They just bore me. I get bored so easy. But anyway, if y'all got a load of cows, let me know, because all I want to do is I want to get out there in the middle of them. Because they'll come right up, I know they'll come right up to me because they have before. And I ain't going to hurt them. I don't know what to feed them, grass, I guess, but if I'm laying in the grass, they'll probably eat it around me. But anyway, but I want to be laying down. I know this sounds so crazy. Please don't nobody have me locked up. But I want to be laying down, and I want to take a picture of those horses from the ground. I'm telling you, I can show you a picture of something like it if I can find it. I really don't know what it was, but it may have been a horse. It may have been a cat. I don't know what it was. But anyway, just hit me up. I'm about to FaceTime somebody. Bye.